Picked up this motorcycle off of Craigslist for 50 bucks. It doesn't have a title, so we're going to part it out and sell it on eBay. Got it home. It's got some parts on it. Handlebars. That throttle works. Ignition was the key. Exhaust is looking pretty good. This tank is amazing on this. Wow, even a locking gas cap. Seat is trashed. This piece here is trashed. Rear brake, rear shocks, rear swing arm, oil cover, or this is actually the oil pan here. And then of course you have the engine, which is quite valuable on these. Carburetor. Looks like the shift lever is gone. Head looks pretty good. I don't see any broken fins or anything, which is important. So this is what we got left. Basically the frame and the engine. And I'm sort of hesitating on pulling the engine and the frame apart because the serial numbers match on this. So you have this 501-01221, and then it's stamped right there. And then it's also stamped down here on the engine. So, put $200 on this on Craigslist and let that be gone. There's some good parts. I could pull the engine apart. And we got the parts that we got out of here. We got the swing arm. Still needs some cleaning. There's axle bolts and the swing arm pivot bolt, and that brake drum is pretty good. And then we have some more parts in here. Still need further cleaning. You got the oil tank, that splash guard, the fuel tank rubber mount, the side panels, that's the air filter box. These are the clean sellable parts I got. These are rear shocks, brackets for the front headlight, tension adjusters for the chain tension adjusters for the rear wheel, fork head, throttle, handlebars, carburetor, ignition with key, rear fender, front springs, front spring caps, and the gas tank. So this is what I've got the motorcycle broke down to. This little tote full of parts. This may not look like much, but there's $328 worth of parts sitting in here. And I just sold the ignition switch with the key yesterday for 40 bucks. So almost already paid back the motorcycle. And I'm starting to list the parts. I got still a lot of the bigger stuff, like the tank, the swing arm, carburetor still needs cleaning, the petcock on the bottom of the tank. There's probably another $400 or $500 worth of parts to list at least. So this is all in all was a good buy, and it's not a lot of work to break these down. And this was sort of a rare find, but you can find, like, I do quite a few outboard motors, and bicycles do well. Certain bicycles you can break down for parts, motorcycles, four-wheelers, all kinds of stuff. So if you're having trouble sourcing, things are slow, this might be an alternative. And it's kind of fun to mechanic a little bit. I especially like taking stuff apart. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.